What's up, everyone? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. As always, I appreciate you stopping in and checking out the video. Here we are going to be talking about XRP and Ripple. Okay, so we all know by now that Ripple has been going through this long, drawn-out court case with the SEC. The SEC is trying to say that XRP is a security, and Ripple has basically said, nah, we're not playing that game. And they have put tons of money towards fighting this and trying to prove that this is not the case. Now, what I think is really impressive is obviously they put all this money towards, trying to win the case, but at the same time, they have still continued to innovate. They've still continued to push forward and basically make it business as usual. And the latest thing in this line is they have unveiled the latest recipients of the $250 million NFT creator fund. So again, this is not a small amount of money. Now, what is even more impressive still, I don't want to say this is not impressive, but what continues to be impressive as well is they have continued to expand not just here in the US, but abroad as well. XRP and Ripple, let's just say Ripple. Ripple is trying to become this global dominance. Okay, they're trying to encompass the entire globe when it comes to the Ripple payment network. Okay. And this, I think, is a very cool thing, and it shows it shows a lot of confidence in the case that they currently have with the SEC. And based on a lot of the news and the evidence or so that we have been seeing come out recently here, it sounds like that may end up being the case. Now, obviously, here at the ClearCryptos channel, we don't give financial advice and we don't speculate based on how this case is going to play out, but it seems like tides are obviously leaning one way as opposed to the other. Now, that being said, too, during this time, the price of XRP has actually been on a wild recovery. Okay, it has been down for a very long period of time. It has been drawn out over the course of several years where it has been on a decline. So it's very interesting and very cool to see that XRP holders are actually getting rewarded at this point. There is a price. There is a price that has increased and given, again, a lot of confidence to investors, their holders, that there is a light at the end of the tunnel and it may be coming sooner than people think. So that's all I really got for you guys in this video, but I wanted to share with you that, about what's going on and why I think this is, obviously a very cool thing and very important to pay attention to. Now, it sounds like right now, there may be a wrap up of this case happening a little sooner than we think. It sounds like early 2023 based on the representatives for Ripple in this case. So we'll obviously watch closely, keep you guys updated here on the channel. As always, we appreciate you stopping in, checking out the video. If you haven't already, make sure you show your support for the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell, stay updated and notified anytime there's new content live here on the channel. And we make a lot of it. We make a lot of it every single day. As always, we just want to keep you guys updated and informed. Appreciate you guys stopping in, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care, guys.